Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your friend Namrata, and in this video we will cook summer special chicken curry. Why is this summer special? Because during summer we normally avoid having too much spices and too much masala in our food. So I have prepared this chicken curry keeping in mind that this is summer. So I have used very less masala in that, and everyone in my family loved it, and I'm sure if you guys try it, you guys will love it too. This is a requested video. This is for you, my friend. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. Thank you for watching my video. It means a lot to me. Really, it means a lot. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.